Yeah.
Notes ako sa mga...
Actually, I really listened to what they said. Sabi ko, grabe. As I summarize what I heard, you were there because you have a beautiful soul, but they have a very strong personality. All of them. Talaga po naman naalala Sir Engel paras kami Grace. Sabi niya sa husband ko, mag-ingat ka sa mga Grace. Kasi pareho kami Grace. Beautiful story. I have actually, you were the few light against the system of the world. Kaya po nandito kami. Kasi na-enjoy kayo. So, meron tumatayo, sabi kanina sa song, Standing in Truth. So, that's the foundation of the throne of God. I heard the general, kasi nandito po kayo sa colonel position, I heard the general in my interview that the most difficult thing for me to do is to say no. Napakahirap tumanggi because the system is already there. So yung ganun, ano? And definitely because they have this, you have very strong personality ng mga asawa. They could sense your struggle. Definitely they could sense your anxiety when you are having this, paano ko tumanggi? Ayoko ganito, ayoko pirmahan, ayoko ganito, yung mga ganun. So, that is what I would like first to know. Para lang masundan ko yung interview kanina. When you sense your husband in that very hard situation, are they go to the system which nandoon sila? What is your great role on that?
Experience-wise, we talk a lot when it comes to problems in the office, particularly in the office. Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, kahit anong mangyari, ang maiwan ng pamilya. Whatever happens to them, kapakasuhan sila, sino bang nandun? Hindi naman yung mga tao. It's not the generals. It's not the community. It's the family. Who's the family? Kami, ako, asawa, at mga anak. So I should know. First and foremost, dapat alam ko kung ano ang decision mo when it comes to matters na very thin. Kailangan ng decision. So that's what we talk. Lahat ng decision niya, mali or tama, alam ko. Because in the end, I will be there for you. Dapat alam ko. At the same time, as wives, since we have a group, the OLC, Officers Ladies Club, lahat ng mga asawa ng mga polis, meron kami grupo sa every region namin. At yun ang napag-uusapan din namin. Now we have to help our husbands, especially in these matters, ng mga trivial matters. Dapat alam namin kung anong ginagawa ng mga asawa namin when it comes to decision making. Kasi yung asawa will be the one to pacify, neutralize. Ganun ang role ng asawa. Not only for the police, but sa atin lahat, di ba? Partner tayo eh. Hindi tayo ibang tao, we are one. Pinagbuklod tayo ng Panginoon. So kung ano ang kasalanan mo, kasalanan ko yun. Dahil hindi kita kinotion, kumbaga. So, yun na nga. It's a partnership, it's a symbiotic relationship, give and take. Pero yung asawa, just like in any chess game, the queen is the protector of the king. Kahit saan kasi nandun tayo eh. Yung isang area na siya, ano naman siya, steady straight lang. Yung asawa, pwede ka mag-attack lahat. Right? Sino ba yung mga chess, ano dito? I'm not a chess player. Pero nakita ko kasi one time, ganun pala yung role ng queen. Lahat pala ng angle, kaya niyang bugbugin. Kumbaga, so siya yung protector ng king. In our relationships, we also like that. That is why the wife has to be very, very strong. And we gain that strength. We have that strength. We take that strength from God. It can only be from God. Otherwise, wala tayong mukha, wala tayong lakas, malalaki sila. Di ba? Yung sa una, yung magsalita, para strong, gano'n. Pero we have to we have to deal with it truthfully. Ito I am hurt by what he said. Kung ganun yung ano sa kanya, heart, di ko gusto yung tono ng pananalita mo. Heart, nasaktan ako nung sinabi mo nung ganito. Yun ang, we are in that level already. So, yun ang mga decision niya. Sabi ko sa'yo, yun talaga ang request ko. Whatever decisions that you're going to make, sa office particularly, let me know. Para baka may masabi din ako. Baka kung yung mga friends, hindi naman makapagsabi yung friend na, uy pare, bye, classmate, abo, mali yan. No! Walang makakapagsalita sa kanila na mali sila, kundi tayo mga asawa. Right? Walang ibang sa iso. Kung mga sa Bisaya ka, walang iso. Walang ibang matapang sa mga asawa natin, kundi tayo mga asawa. Kaya tayo masasabi sa kanya, heart, mali yan. On my own, sa isip-isip ko, parang hindi maganda yan. Ito kasi yung consequences. So we talk about consequences. Before he makes a decision, ito yung consequences ng actions mo. Kaya ba nating isuong yan? Is it the truth? Mga sa Rotary, I'm also a retired past president, is it the truth? Tama yung ginagawa natin. Kung hindi, then let's stick to the truth. We can never go wrong. Diba? Just let's do the right thing the first time and every time. We can never go wrong. So yun ang ano sa kanya. We talk, we communicate, we pray. Siya yung nagbigay ng prayer. He's the husband. Sa bahay, he's the king. Pero yun nga, ako yung king. Huwag mo kalimutan. Thank you.